Hello and welcome back to Jack Fleming Artistry. I got a package in the mail yesterday, day before yesterday. Anyhow, I'm going to open this up today. This is a package that came from Freddie Villa. You might have caught a video that him and I both did videos here recently where we challenged each other. He challenged me to do an 8-color pinstriping design, and I challenged him to do like a 2-color design on white, which is something that's out of his comfort zone. This is that panel. I wanted to open that up here with y'all and then talk to you about a new little, I don't know if you'd really call it a challenge that we're going to do, but I'll catch that at the end. All right. In the background, you might see a project that I'm working on for a customer right now. Really excited about that. Trying not to tell everyone too much about it because I'm making a video for it that's going to be full length, and this is one of the most exciting projects I've ever worked on. To me, it's one of those bucket list projects. I have a whole list of projects that I really want to do before I can't paint anymore in life. Oh, trying to get this open. I think Freddie outdid himself here on the taping. Or I cut the wrong side. Let's try this side. Trying to make sure I don't cut too far into it. Alright, I think y'all are gonna see this while I see it for the first time. Ha! Back of an exit sign. Pretty cool. I know Freddie made a video not too long ago talking about different things that you can paint on. Something I don't think he mentioned in his video that I recently did is I broke down a dresser that a friend of mine was throwing away. Took the drawer faces off of it, the sides of it. It's a little thicker than what I normally stripe on, but I think I'm going to make some signs actually, just to hang here in my own shop. Not real worried about scratching the back of this. Some of you guys might have already watched his video. If you haven't, go check out his channel. It's Villa Pinstriping. Another thing y'all might be familiar with him and I is Pinstripers Podcast. Y'all need to check that out, but let's go ahead. You know what? Let me show this to you a different way. Of course, I'm recording and the trash truck's coming down the road, but I've got work to get back to, so I'm going to show this to y'all real quick. Let's see here. Pretty stinking awesome. I'm really excited about this. This will hang in my private little collection of stuff that I keep at my house. This is really cool. Thank you, Freddie. And as I mentioned to y'all, you know what? I'm going to wait until the trash truck's done going by. Alright, the trash truck's gone, and I thought, let's do a quick breakdown on this real quick of some things that are really cool and what I really like in it. I know I'm a tease. I told you guys I was going to tell you what the new challenge is that we're doing, but go over this real quick. One of the things I love the most about this, really hard for him to work on white because he just doesn't do it a whole lot, but I think he did a great job. I talked recently in another video about stacking colors, and he's done a great job here. The highest contrast to white is going to be this black. And if you see, the black sits on top. Red kind of acts like a middle ground, right? If we were to go darkest to lightest, darkest is going to be black, lightest is going to be white, red somewhere in the middle. So it's sandwiched between the two. I don't know if you guys can see that real good. It's really, really cool. And then those shadows that he added, I'm assuming, yeah, from looking at it, he did clear with a little bit of black in it. And it kind of elevates that on top of that red. So it's kind of neat. Looks like it's floating above that. That's one of the things I like the most. The other thing, look at how he's filled the space. He's left some good negative space here, and even some good negative space inside the design. Gives our eye a little bit of a place to rest. I also like how he's using these lines right here to draw our eye up and down the design, and then here out to both sides. And all the loops kind of work to bring our eye around. Really well executed piece of pinstriping here. I'm very excited to have this as part of my collection. Pretty cool. Alright, so the new challenge. It's not really a challenge. Freddie and I have talked about doing a collaboration piece off and on for a long time. I think maybe even before I started doing YouTube here. We've never done it, and we've decided we're finally going to do it, but we wanted to drag another person into it. If you've listened to the Pinstripers Podcast, we've got a third person that helps us out, kind of in the backgrounds, does our social media stuff for us. That's Alicia of Cherrybomb Pinstriping. We recently talked her into starting a YouTube channel. I think she might have, I don't know, 1 video maybe out right now, maybe more, I don't know. Need to go look. But go give her channel a follow. What we're all going to do is each of us start a panel and then mail it to one of the other people, kind of rotate those. So in the end, each one of the panels will have touched or been touched by all 3 of us brushes. Probably, I don't know, probably 1 color each person, we'll see, not sure. Let people take it in the direction that they want. And then when that's done, we've kind of talked about maybe auctioning them off or keeping them. We don't know. We'll figure that out. Stay tuned on that. That'll be a new series of videos coming up. I guess I'll probably do 1 video for me starting mine, when I get the next one, working on it, and the next one. So it should be 3 to 4 videos. Pretty cool idea, I think. If it goes off like we plan, I don't know if they'd still want to be involved, or I'm thinking about maybe reaching out to some other pinstripers that are on YouTube and doing the same kind of thing, see if they're interested. Kind of a way to, I guess, help build a little bit more community and stuff with those of us that pinstripe and put videos up on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. Excited about it. As always, check out one of the videos that comes up on the 2 sides here and shoot me some messages. It's always cool to hear from y'all. Have a good day. Bye.